What is social? Now, before we start the class, we will talk with the. I have shown you the picture that how in Bollywood the trends 1918, 1990s to 2000, 2010, 2020, every styles have been changing. Society changing. As time changes, society changes. But there is a difference between social change and change. Change in simple term, it means modification, variation, different in anything. It can be your hair, it can be the sun, the star, but social change means the change in the human relationship, in the human group. So there have been definition given by different people. If you see the first definition, if you see the first definition, if you see the first definition, according to TB, according to TB Bottomore, social change refers to change occurring in social structure or in the institution or in the relationship with institution. When we say institution means where there are learning patterns, norms that control your behavior. It can be family, it can be marriage, it can be religion, it can be education, it can be economics, where human relationships are connected with. Can you live without education? Education does not mean degree, education means learning. Human are controlled by institution. So any change that exists in the relationship and in the institution refers to social change, according to Bottomore. The next definition given by is Kingsley Davis. He said, social change is change According to Kingsley Davis, he said, social change is change which the change that occurs in social organization, that is structure and function. हमारे समाज में जो parts होती है, organization, human organization, association, union, and how human function, the change which occur in our society, that can be considered as social change. After coronavirus have come, now if you go to market, the trend is that you are putting the masks. The trend is that you are giving sanitizer to your hand wash. The trend is that in the market, that from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. there is a curfew. And the trend is that in the market now, the medical institution like their stock market might be this sanitizer, Hindustan Limited or any other might be increasing. So these change in the organization, in the human structure and how they function in the everyday life, human group, those changes are also known as social change according to Kingsley Davis. Social change may be defined as the process in which significant alteration in the structure and function of particular social change. Thus, social change is a universal phenomenon. It is a process that also implies continuity. Social change is thus an inevitable demand of time. When we talk about social change, in simple terms, according to McIver and Pace, change means, social change means the change that happens in the human relationship, in the web of society, in the web of relationship. The social change, when sociology deals with human, sociology deals with people, groups. Sociology deals with human groups. Sociology does not deals with animal. Sociology does not deals with trees. Sociology does not deals with star, Venus, Jupiter. Sociology deals with human relationship, human groups. So automatically social change means the change that happen in the society and the human group. human society, not the whole environment, human society. Social change means the change that happen in the human group, human relationship, and in the society. So that is the quick to clear about the concept. Now let us go to the theories of social change. Remember, there are three main types of theory: evolutionary, functionalist, and conflict. Many sociologists, writer, just like you are civil engineer, civil engineering, many sociologists, writer explain. Theories means explain. Theories mean explain. They explain about how society changes into three main view. One is not there cyclical in this PDF file, no problem. This is just for your course, for a UG course. So sociologists, social scientists try to explain about how society have changed into three main aspects, three view: evolutionary, functionalist, conflict. As we have said, that Bollywood dress, human dress is changing every time. Just like Aslam Khan profile picture is changing every time. Just like his hairstyle is changing every time. And human, we are, today might be, today is Friday. Tomorrow, today might be you are eating sabzi. Tomorrow might be you want ilis mas or fish or chicken meat. Just like just like human nature, time changes, society changes. Time changes, space changes. So these changes, how did they explain about how society changes? Let us come to number one. These are evolutionary theory of change. In this evolutionary theory of change, there are the people who are there in this theory are Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer. Example of evolutionary theory are Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer, Charles Darwin. Most of the writer of the sociologists in this group, evolutionary theory of change, are influenced by Charles Darwin. If you remember Charles Darwin from your school days, your school studies, do you remember that survival of the fittest, nature evolution, that human came from monkey due to certain habitation, giraffe, the giraffe neck was short, giraffe neck became longer due to surviving. So what evolutionary theory of change people like Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer, they were influenced from sociology, was influenced, sociology writer who were in 19th century were mainly influenced with science. They were influenced with Isaac Newton, Darwin, they were influenced with the scientific study. Just like they were influenced in this, they started to copy science and try to understand that society changes, just like Charles Darwin have said, that it is like natural evolution. That changes happen from simple to more complex form. Changes happen from different stages, simple, complex, and it comes into a unilateral society development. So just like Charles Darwin have explained about that we human मनुष्य हम जानवर से आए हैं, evolve हुआ है. According to Charles Darwin and the other his follower who have used his theory in sociology subject in understanding the theory of change in evolutionary theory, they believe that society, समाज भी एक आदमी के evolution जैसा है. it will goes on evolution from states to states. Example we can see is that Auguste Comte, by getting influence from Charles Darwin, this evolutionary theory, he have explained that in evolutionary theory of change part, he have explained that the first society of human was, is he said, it was known as theological states. The first states of human group is theological states. This was the stage when humans used to believe in supernatural powers, in human natural powers and supernatural powers. Uh, Supernatural powers mean those the time when animism was there, atma, spirit to worship trees, to worship river, to worship those, the culture which was there. And it was a time, the first stage of theology was a time, was when the government system was based on military, where Mughal period Sultan. It was a time when military was the main force that controlled the country, that controlled the society to achieve their goals. The next is metaphysical. That is, after coming from that, believing in the witchcraft, black magic, military war, capturing other countries. The second stage is metaphysical. This is the beliefs of human, the states, when it is the mixture of that first states and the mixture of the third stage, scientific states. The mixtures, this was a time when the witchcraft, kings, queens, which were there during that time, that was the states. And the last stage is scientific states, that is the present states. What we are seeing is here is that by Auguste Comte is also a member of that evolutionary theory of change. And we can see is that when he explained, it's like nothing is going on, there is no any background behind. He's simply going different states by states, explaining about the history of society, theological society, metaphysical society, scientific states. So the first theory, the first theory, evolutionary theory of change, are the follower of Charles Darwin, where Charles Darwin believes that the world environment is about natural selection, survival of the fittest. Whoever, it's about who can ever inhabit the place they will live. If they cannot inhabit, they will perish. It's about from different states to different states. He viewed that the environment, the ecosystem development is based on unilinear way, in a process. First step, second step, third step, evolution process. Human also will evolve like that. We have evolved from monkey by getting that idea from that evolutionary theory of Charles Darwin, like Auguste Comte in sociology, Herbert Spencer in sociology, were influenced by this Charles Darwin idea of evolution. And they started to use his theory by understanding the society of social change, where they have said that human society is also like that. Not only human evolution, pura samaj, pura culture, pura dharma, pura institution, education is also going states by states. That is how the number one theory of change explain about the societal change. Number two is functionalist theory of change. In this group, functionalist theory of group, main focus is about how human function, how the change in human function in everyday life. This is the major focus. Here, The follower of this functionalist theory of change are Radcliffe Brown, Malinowski, Kingsley Davis, Talcott Person. Here they believe, the beliefs is that जो भी चेंज है समाज में अच्छा के लिए है, कोई भी वॉर हो, कोई भी pandemic coronavirus, it's all about stability. This is about equilibrium, stability. In number two functionalist theory of change, they believe is that change is about stability. Change is about equilibrium. It's for the better opportunity for the other. This is what they try to view in the theory of social change, in functionalist theory of change, where they believe, what they believe is that any change that happen is about the maintenance of the society. The followers are there in the yellow color, which I have seen. And if you want to, when I give you your internal assignment, you can check at page number 120, 121. Just try to search in the find option, you'll find the answer. And the last theory of change in page number 122 is that conflict theory of change. This conflict theory of change, these are the follower of Karl Marx. Here in conflict theory of change, Karl Marx believes that every change in our society, इतिहास से हमारे समाज शास्त्र में, the change happen due to conflict. The change happen due to struggle. The change happen due to inequality. The change happen due to opposition. Whether when we talk about rich and poor, Raja and the Aam Aadmi, the people, the Pope and the priest and the members, throughout the society, there have always been the ruling party and the opposition people. Ruling, opposition, ruling, opposition. What Karl Marx said is that throughout the society, there have always been conflict, opposition. Due to this opposition, समाज में बदलाव आती है, whether in terms of education, whether in terms of economics, whether in terms of every changes. So by using Karl Marx idea, many followers of Karl Marx who get influenced by his idea, like Ralph Dahrendorf, like Collins, like C. Wright W. Mills, believes that society, समाज चेंज आती है टेंशन से, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट से, इनइक्वालिटी से. If there is no process of opposition, change cannot be happen. Example, in our government system, there are ruling party, opposition party. Just like if they don't compete each other, change cannot happen. That's what Karl Marx meant. And this idea of Karl Marx, his follower of Karl Marx said is that, like Ralph Dahrendorf and others said is that society change happen only due to conflict, whether in terms of industry, whether in terms of education. Life is not about harmony. Life is always about conflict. So these are the three main theories of how society changed. They have viewed by different sociologists, and there are three main theories of social change. Number one is evolutionary theory, number two is functionalist theory, number three is conflict. Evolutionary theory जो sociologist चार्ल्स डार्विन से इन्फ्लुएंस हुआ है, जो evolution theory से मनुष्य we came from animal, we transform into animal. This evolution, because this theory have a different varieties of theory is there in terms of origin of human beings. According to Christianity, Adam and Eve. According to Islam, same thing, Old Testament. According to Hindu, Brahma, Lord Brahma. So Charles Darwin said this was the epitome of science, when Charles Darwin said human came from ape, animal, that by taking that evolutionary idea of Charles Darwin, sociology writer, social scientists use his idea in understanding about how society have changed. First stage, second stage, third stage. In a stability, in a linear way. They believe that society changed in a one line, simple way. पहले past simple था, अभी complex. That by using Charles Darwin evolutionary theory. Number two, functionalist theory. These functionalist theory, who are a sociologists who try to understand the society change based on the function of the society. How समाज कैसे function, how समाज the function have been changed. They believe is that जो भी change हो better के लिए, the maintenance of social order, the maintenance of social order, whether in terms of war, whether in terms of coronavirus, in terms the pandemic crisis, it's about to maintain the society, social order. They never talk about conflict. They never talk about the disturbance. It create inequality. They only focus on how the society change have function. समाज कैसे फंक्शन करती है, चेंज करने के बाद समाज कैसे फिर से फंक्शन करती है. That is their view. Stability. Number three, conflict, opposition. This is the view of Karl Marx. Like Ralph Dahrendorf, C. Wright Mills, Collins, all are the followers of Karl Marx who believe that society change happen because only due to conflict and opposition. Inequality, rich and poor, haves and haves not, bourgeoisie, capitalists, proletariat, worker, fighting together, ruling party or opposition party, conflict, British government, Indian freedom fighter, opposition, conflict. So what they believe is that society changes only by conflict approach. That is the view of all three theories. Theories means explanation. These sociologists try to explain that society changes, people changes into three types: evolutionary, functionalist, conflict theory. So that was the theories explanation. You will find in your PDF Xerox material in page number, in your PDF material, page number 118. What is defined social change? What are the various theories of social change? 118, page number 118. In your PDF material, you will find also in your Xerox material. If you have Xerox material, you'll find theories of social change. जो भी आप, what you think that which note are easy for you, try to study. So today we have discussed what to understand by social change and various theories of social change. And besides the theory of social change, just for your the main focus is what is social change and theories of social change. But just extra is that society change can happen into various factors. It might be an earthquake, it might be heavy rainfall. These are all physical, because जब rainfall, heavy rainfall होते, it impact to the people. जब earthquake करते तो it impact to the people. Those changes happens. Biological factors, it can happen through due to the technological factors, due to industry, economic, cultural, environmental, psychological factors. So changes also can happen into various places. So into various process. So today, what you have learned with that just small minutes, few minutes, what you have learned is that जब हम social change कहते हैं, there is a slight difference what you understand with change. Change and social change is different. Hairstyle change करना, कपड़े change करना, and social change is a bit different. Social change is about the change in human relationship, human institution, human organization, the change in the relationship of human society. When we say relationship, sociology में relationship का meaning एक boyfriend girlfriend का relationship नहीं है. That relationship means human relationship with the community, human relationship with the caste, human relationship with the culture, human relationship with the education, human relationship with the family, the marriage, the इकोनॉमिक कल्चर, जो समाज में जो इंस्टीट्यूट होती है, जो समाज में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उन लोगों का रिलेशनशिप है, कनेक्शन. इकोनॉमिक्स बैंकरप्ट हो, इन्फ्लेशन हो, गवर्नमेंट चेंज होती है, तो कैसे ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप चेंज करती है. आर्थिक हो तो जैसे कैसे ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप चेंज करते हैं. ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप, हाउ द ह्यूमन कम्युनिटी इज चेंज. राइट नाउ वी आर नाउ इन अ technology age. Earlier it was not technology age. Before 1949 in Tripura, it was the monarchy system, Maharaja King system. Right now it is a democracy, government system, chief minister. Our chief minister is now built up there. So you see, after several years, might be 70 to 80 years, 70 years, you have seen is that the government system is also changes. That social change we are talking about is that change. The change means any modification, any variation, any change, anything about change. But social change is about the change in the human society, change in the human society in their relationship with the other institution or organization. In simple words, which McIver and Page have defined, is that social change means the change in the web of relationship or in the web of society. There are discussed theory of social change. There are various theories of change. Theories means explanation. There are various explanations given by others. So sociologists have explained different types of social change. Number one, functionalist. Number two, conflict. Number three, evolutionary, functionalist, conflict. So this is what we have discussed today, and we are going to resume the discussion in the next week. I will tell you the which date I have given. Okay. I will tell you the time and the date again. The next topic is modernization. From next week we will just take 2 class, and this week I have completed 3 topic: culture, social stratification, and social change theory. These three topic I am going to give you for your internal assignment, 25 marks. These three topic: culture, social stratification, and social change. I will give you the question in your Google Classroom today. I will give you the question in this week. In Tuesday I have discussed date 9/6/2020. I have discussed material culture, discussed stratification, ranking system, Sanskritization, dominant caste system. Today I have discussed social change theory. These are the 3 topics which I am going to give you for your internal final exam assignment. The question I am going to give you published in Google Classroom today or tomorrow. The last day will be, I will give you the last date. Or it's your freedom. You can copy from anything. But try to first prefer your Xerox material and then PDF material. Because this week I'm going to give you internal assignment. Now you can comment any question you have, any confusion you have, and what is your feedback? Was it very clear? You are free to comment on the chat box. Okay, whatever things you have, uh, we will continue in the Google Classroom, and whatever doubts you have, try to comment